Effectiveness of DCA from ATH. We are all used to the terms keep calm and just DCA, but how effective is DCA? If you are like me and timed the market just to buy at ATH, then this analysis is for you. I have compared the top 15 crypto coins at the time of ATH, omitting the stable coins, to see how well they have performed if you have DCA'd from ATH. Some of these coins have exited top 15 and new ones have entered. DCA amount is $100 every month from October 9, 1 month before the ATH, for a total of 24 months. Total amount invested would be $2,400. X200B. Coins which have infinite supply have been marked as inflationary deflationary considering last 1 year. 1. Most coins have failed the DCA test. Surprisingly, Ethereum has never turned green even once. Please note that DCA was done on 9th of every month. 2. LUNC having only 60 losses is a coincidence, as the DCA was done just at the extreme point of the crash and it has remained more or less stable for the following 15 months. 3. BTC and XRP are the only coins which are in green. 4. Coins with limited supply have not fared better worse than coins with infinite supply. Conclusion: disciplined DCA only works if the coin that has proper tokenomics use cases. DCAing into a random coin because you are attached to coin or you believe in founders may lead to failures. X200B. DCA is crown. It's effective only for your peace of mind. Sometimes peace of mind, money, or always. It can't be simpler than this: DCA in during bear market, DCA out in bull market. As you said, it still depends on the underlying asset. But long live DCA. Quote from my textbook. DCA can be an effective way to reduce risk and smooth out returns over time, even if the investor buys at an all-time high. However, it is important to remember that DCA does not guarantee profits and that the performance of an investment will still depend on the underlying asset. Down 60 on RCC, most beloved coin, ha. Goes to show we should always inverse this sub. It's no coincidence that something always dumps whenever we buy it. Link is doing much better than I expected. Having Algo as the most beloved coin and not Moons is a travesty. Crying in Algo. I thought subreddit most favorite coin is Moons. XRP and BTC both looking great here. BTC is obvious, I suppose, but XRP showing its worth. DCA feels like cheat code. I love it. Considering we are at an ATL for a lot of altcoins. Of course they are not green yet. If you compare the down from DCA to down from buying at an ATH and HODL, you are way better of. Some of the coins you listed are 90 down from their ATH. Yep. Time in the market beats timing the market any day. DCA for years into BTC, then you'll thank yourself in the next bull run. DCA into quality and you should be fine over time. Good read. I say this doesn't tell us much. BTC as always rises from the bear market first and most assuredly. Meanwhile, XRP just had a huge boost due to political issues. One of the most important parts of DCA is that you aren't trying to time the market and are not investing with emotions. Excellent point that it's not always going to work. But I'm interested to see what this looks like when we are a few months into the bull market. I've been DCAing into BTC of this whole bear market, and even though the portfolio hasn't really improved, I'm happy with it because patience is the key. Finally busting the myth, nicely done. That's why people turn into BTC maxis. Sure, DCA from ATH before we hit another peak will most likely be in the red. But unless you have good aim at timing the market, DCA will put you in the green when the bulls take over. Just remember to either DCA out or take regular profits. I think DCA works best if you do it consistently. DCA from is not a good idea. DCA works great if, like you can't afford to time the market and just put in it each month. A post like this always helpful in times like these. DCA the big boys and chill. You just shit on ETH. That's a big no-no. Expect all the comments to be attacking you or ignoring you. I didn't expect XRP to be the one in the green. Forgot the stress-free mind state that provides DCA, and this is more valuable than money. DCA is the first thing I explain to newbie in the space, because it's the crown. XRP being more stable than most stablecoins. As if the sub had not talked about DCA enough, lol. I think it's also important to have some extra cash and know when to DCA more than your typical amount when prices are low. What has killed me in the past is that I would run out of dollar when the dip is in and prices are juicy. WTF? They told me to hold and DCA, and now this is not working. Face with raised eyebrow. Aside of BTC and XRP, link case is remarkable. ATH was what? 53 USD? And after DCAing in this XRC you're little above 8. Is actually not bad, having in mind you'd be 85 if you didn't average costs down. As always, proof that DCAing into BTC is always a solid plan. Why do these never track Monero? I'd like to see XMR and BCH included in your calculation. DCA probably won't help in a bearish period. You'll still need the bull market to make money, it's just that your buy price averages out the highs and lows of the bear period without trying to time the market. Well, if I had followed DCA advice fully I would have missed out on the profits from BCH, so I guess DCA. Until you see good profits, then cash out. I don't believe in DCA anyway. Why buy something when you're 70-30 sure it's going to drop? Best to buy when your body tells you. I normally buy the blood on the streets. It doesn't always work immediately, but with patience it normally comes in good. The fact that most coins fail the DCA test shows that it's not DCA that's effective, but long-term investment of the right coins first. Try all the strategies you want with all those other coins. They're bound to fail. DCA is a good way to have a good amount money in your investment if you have patience. I was able to DCA my BTC cost average from around 40k to now 25k. DCA is only effective if the coin you are invested in can survive till the bullrun and then thrive during it. Most of the coins and token won't last till then or won't make a comeback at the next bullrun. I first bought in January 2018 at the peak of that cycle. I DCA'd that bear and went 15x eventually next bull. Yay, buy high sell low is best. TLDR, never DCA on the 9th of each month. Not surprised with these results from the bear market. You want to avoid alts until BTC makes the real price action. DCA has make me more profitable than just buy a large bag when I think the market is good to buy. DCAing has always been the most stress-free of trades in all of crypto. The minute I started doing futures or even weekly trades, my anxiety and cholesterol went through the roof. And it definitely wasn't from the salchipapas. Cries in Nano.